So here now we'll discuss about systematics. So this comes under the chapter the living world. So till now we have studied about nomenclature, identification, classification, category, that means taxa. So along with taxa we have a term systematics. So this is basically what? This is a branch of study which describes the systematic arrangement of organisms, and it also describes the relationship between organisms. Here, taxonomical studies of all organisms have led to the development of common categories. So further we'll study about kingdom, phylum. So now the word systematics, this is derived from the Latin word systema. Which means systematic arrangement of organisms. So Linnaeus, Carolus Linnaeus, who discovered nomenclature, so he used Systema Naturae as the title of his publication. The scope of systematics was later enlarged to include identification, nomenclature, and classification. So systematic takes into account evolutionary relationship between organisms. Evolutionary means like how a human being evolved, like from monkey to chimpanzee to human being, like mammals. So this is the basically evolution of human being, evolutionary relationship between organisms. Then comes the taxonomic categories. So taxonomic category, the category is a part of overall taxonomic arrangement. So all categories together constitute the taxonomic hierarchy. Now what is hierarchy? It is basically the orderly arrangement, or you can say ranking, like in increasing or decreasing order. Let's say there is a company and there are number of employees, let's say 50 to 100 employees are there. So they all report to a manager. Okay, so manager reports to the head, and head is responsible for giving explanation to founder. So founder, this is the highest level. So this is basically a system of hierarchy. Similarly, in case of living organisms, butterfly is, let's say I take the example of a butterfly. Okay, so butterfly comes under the category of insects, because insects, they represent a group of organisms sharing common features like 3 pairs of jointed legs. All insects, they have 3 pairs of jointed legs. Okay, then insects. So insects, they like physically we can make out that these are insects. So they were given a rank or category. So category denotes rank. So each rank or taxon represents a unit of classification. Okay, now insects, they further comes under arthropods, category of arthropods. And arthropods, they come under the category of animalia. Animalia, this is kingdom Animalia, this is the highest level. Like founder is the highest level, Animalia is the highest level here. So this is basically hierarchy. It's the arrangement from like lower to higher or higher to lower. It's basically the order ranking system. So taxonomical studies of all known organisms, they have led to the development. So here we'll study about kingdom. So similarly we have, if we talk about now hierarchy, we have categories such as kingdom, phylum, division, class, order, family, genus and species. So here we have some lowest category and we have the highest category as well. So now how this hierarchical system is, it is like this. So first we have species, this is the lowest level. Then we have genus, then family, then order, then class, then phylum or division. Phylum is in case of animals and division is in case of plants. Class, phylum, then comes the highest category, kingdom. Now species is the lowest level and kingdom is the highest level, just like the founder of the company. So here if we will start like this, so in the lowest level we will have maximum similarity. As we'll go upward, we will find least similarity. Now how to remember these steps? So there's a chart. Let's say there's a memory trick to learn. King prefers or denies cookies over fresh green spinach. So from this chart you can make out K stands for kingdom, P for phylum, D for division, C for class, order, family, genus and species. So king prefers or denies cookies over fresh green spinach. So you can remember this chart. Okay, now to make it easy, I'll just number it. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Now let's start with the lowest level, or so here comes the species. So species, it is a group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities as species. So one should be able to distinguish one species from the other closely related species based on distinct morphological differences. Morphological means just by looking at the physical features. For example, Mangifera indica, mango. You can easily recognize mango. Potato, Solanum tuberosum. This potato is a common name. Scientific name is Solanum tuberosum. Solanum tuberosum. Panthera leoline, lion you can easily differentiate. Okay, so all these three names like indica, tuberosum. Tuberosum is what? Specific epithet. Now, human beings. Human beings is human. The scientific, let's say, common name is human being. So here the scientific name is Homo sapiens. Genus, specific epithet. Now basically species, what the species, like there are a number of species, they closely resemble. And the one characteristic feature is they reproduce. That means they give birth to their offspring. Offspring means child or newborn. Now here I'll take the example of, let's say, humans. You can easily make out these all are humans. Cats, you can all easily make out there are various species of cats. Then you can easily make out there are number of penguins. These all are species. Now coming to a little bit higher level, that is genus. Here the similarities will be little less. So here we can say this is a group of closely related species. For example, dogs. I am taking example of dogs and grey wolves. Okay, if you see a dog and a grey wolf, they do not reproduce, right? They do not reproduce. They will not. A dog and a grey wolf, if you mate them, if you fertilize, if this, let's say, mate, so they will not reproduce. But if you see morphologically, their structure, their physical appearance, okay, that is same. A little bit you can say wolf and dog, little bit is same, the appearance is same. Okay, so then we'll take the example of lion and tiger. They will not reproduce. Lion and tiger, they together will not reproduce, but their structure is same. They both are physically so huge. So now scientific name of dog is Canis familiaris. Grey wolf is Canis lupus. So you might have seen that their genus name or generic name, that is same, but this specific epithet, this is different. Specific epithet, that means species. Specific epithet is different, or you can say species are different. That means here genus is same for dogs and grey wolf, but species is different. Similarly, in case of lion and tiger also. Then lion, this is Panthera leo. Tiger is Panthera tigris. And along with that, we'll take one more example: lion, tiger, and leopard. These all are somewhat similar, like they are all physically so huge. Then this Panthera pardus. These are the scientific names. So I might have seen all this. Panthera is same here, Panthera is same here for leopard. So that means genus is same, but leo, tigris, these all are species name or specific epithet. These all three are different. So genus, in genus ranking, what we'll see, this genus will be same, but this species will be different. Okay, then coming to family. So family, then here more less similarities will be there, like more less similarity, like difference will be there. So it has a group of related genera with still less number of similarities as compared to genus and species. So they are characterized on the basis of both vegetative and reproductive features of plant species. So I'll talk about plants. If I talk about plants, then there are three different genera: Solanum, Petunia, and Datura. They are placed in family Solanaceae. Okay, then here I'll take the example of Panthera lion is there, tiger, leopard, same examples which I've taken in genus. So now here I will add cats also. You might be wondering why cats, because this is a tiny creature. This is a miniature version of, or you can say this is a miniature version of lion. You might be seeing that their face features, they are almost same. Still this is very small in front of a lion, but the facial features are same. Now scientific name of these all you know. Now coming to cat. Cat, here this is Felis catus. Felis catus. So here this is a different name, a different scientific name rather than these three. So here the family is Felidae. So these all four comes under the family Felidae. Then comes after family we have order. Now all these all four: lion, tiger, leopard, and cats. So basically these all are somewhere flesh eating. So this comes under the order Carnivora. So order and other higher taxonomic categories, they identify based on the aggregates of characters. So order, the animal order, that's Carnivora. It includes families like Felidae and Canidae. If I talk about in order, coming to order. Some plant families are there: Convolvulus, then Solanaceae. If I talk about plants here, we have genera, three different genera: Solanum, Petunia, Datura. These are three different genera and they are placed in family Solanaceae. This is in case of plants. So Solanaceae, if I talk about order, its order is Polymoniales. In case of plants. Okay, then coming to third, that is okay, then we have rest third class, that we'll discuss in later session. Okay dear, thank you.